Hello everyone, welcome once again to Driving and Diecasts. Today I've got this new pack which has been delivered to me. This is one of the latest art card cars of Hot Wheels. This is the muscle car series for 2020. So this is the latest launch from Hot Wheels. There isn't any other video till now. I haven't seen any on YouTube till now, so I'm bringing this to you guys for the first time. Let me open up this pack and then packing, lovely bubble wrapped packing. So I'll just open these up and then show you guys each of the car from inside. Quickly get rid of this packing, starting with the first set of cars. So let me open this up. Yes, got this open. So this is the muscle car series for 2020. Now this one is the second car of the lot, the Ford Fairlane. This is the first one that has come out of the packing. The second one is the lovely matte finish Pontiac Firebird. Wow, it's got its engine visible. 67 number, 8 out of 10. So there are 10 cars in this set from Hot Wheels. This is the muscle car series. Moving on to the next car. Wow, beautiful Torino Sport, Ford Gran Torino Sport, 6 out of 10. This is the 6th number. Lovely. Look at the front, good amount of detail. Love its color and the yellow line. The fourth one coming out of the package is the Mercury Cougar. Lovely card art. Beautiful car. Love its spoiler at the back. Matching wheels, contrasting white and black color. So the Cougar, 69 Mercury Cougar. So this is the fourth car which has come out of the pack. This is the fifth car, 70 Camaro. Beautiful in green with slightly fluorescent yellowish interior. Looks really nice. 9th car out of 10. And this one is the Buick GSX. Buick GSX. 10th out of 10th. 10 cars. Lovely interior again. Love the card art of this one also. Let me open up the second pack, which has got the remaining 4 cars. So I've got the remaining 4 cars. This is the Pontiac GTO Judge. Another beautiful car. Lovely card art. I don't know who has done the card art, maybe Julian, I'm not sure. Beautiful detail. Love the spoiler at the back. This is the 3rd number car. Then we have the Shelby GT500. Again, beautiful card art on this one also. This is the fourth car of the lot out of the 10 cars. And then we have got the Impala. Beautiful again. The card art looks really nice with the burnout going on. You can see the smoke from the tires. Really beautiful. Number 5 looks wonderful. This is the 61 Impala. Overall detail is great. The last car of this set is this Galaxie, Ford Galaxie. Looks really beautiful. Really nice. So there are 10 cars in this pack. Let me arrange these. This is the first one. This is the second. The Fairlane, Ford Fairlane. Then the third one is the Pontiac GTO Judge. Third one. The fourth one is the Shelby Gt500. The fifth one is the Impala. The sixth one is the Gran Torino Sport. Really beautiful. This car is beautiful. One of the favorite car of this whole lot. Seventh one is the Mercury Cougar. The eighth one is the Pontiac Firebird. Number 8. Ninth one is the Camaro. Number 9. And the last one, 10th one, is the Buick GSX. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more such videos. Subscribe to Driving and Diecasts. See you next time.